Hello children, how are you all? Children, you see surrounding, you can see so many plants and trees. Yes? So, can you tell me which tree is? This is a lychee tree. Okay, see? So nice, so greenery, yes? Yes, you can see here. This is the which part of the tree? This is the trunk. Yes, can you see? This one is the branch. Yes, yes, then this is the leaves. So many green leaves are here, isn't it? And see here, so tasty. Yes, the lychee fruits. Yes. Okay, children, now you can guess which topic I want to teach you. Can you guess? Yes? Let's start. Okay, can you tell me what is this? Head. What is the spelling of head? H-E-A-D. Everybody, do with me. Nod your head. Nod your head. Good. Can you tell me where is your eyes? Yes? How many eyes are there? 2 eyes. 1, 2. Please do with me. Blink your eyes. Blink your eyes. Very good. Where is your nose? Yes, this is your nose. This is your nose. We smell. We smell. And we also breathe. We also take breath with our nose. So, everyone do it. Take long breath. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Very good. Children, can you show me where is your ear? Where is your ear? Yes. How many ears we have? 2. 1, 2. What we do with your ears? We hear. We hear with our ears. Yes. Children, where is your mouth? Show me your mouth. This is your mouth. Open your mouth. Ah. Close your mouth. Open your mouth. Ah. Close your mouth. Very good. Okay, children, can you show me your hands? 1, 2. Yes, what is this? This is your hands. Clap with your hands. Clap with your hands. Good. Show me your fingers. These are all fingers. How many fingers you have? 10. How many fingers you have? 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So children, how many fingers you have? 10. Make a sound like this. Yes, with the fingers. Very good. How many legs you have? 2. Where is your leg? 1, 2. 1, 2. 2 legs. Stamp your feet. 1, 2. Stamp your feet. 1, 2. Very good. Children, shall we sing a song? Let's start. Two little eyes to look around, one little nose to smell what we see, two little ears to hear the sound, one little mouth to talk your thoughts, two little hands to do your work, 10 little fingers to pick up things, 10 little fingers to pick up things, 2 little legs to walk around, 2 little legs to walk around, one little tongue to taste your food, one little tongue to taste your food. Children, now you can guess what you have learned. We have learned parts of our body. In the same way, plants is also having a parts of body, and your body is also having parts. Children, let's find the full parts of the body. Parts of the body. P-A-R-T-S, parts. O-F of T-H, the. B-O-D-Y, body. Parts of the body. Look at the picture and fill the missing letters to complete the names of body parts. Look at the picture and fill the missing letters to complete the names of body parts. Children, see here. One boy body is here, isn't it? So, here, this is head. What is spelling of head? H-E-A-D. You have to learn the spelling of these words. Okay, I have put a dash here. You have to do this worksheet and you have to send it to me. H-E-A-D, head. Here it arrows ear. What will be here? E-A-R, ear. This one N-O-S-E, nose. N-O-S-E, nose. This is the arrow here. E-Y-E, I. E-Y-E-I. Children, you have to write only Y. Okay, but you have to learn it. This one, chick. Chick. Yes, you know the rhymes. Chubby chicks. Dimple chin. Yes, chubby. Yes, chick. This is chick. What is spelling of chick? C-H-E-E-K. Chick. C-H-E-E-K. Chick. This one is neck. N-E-C-K. N-E-C-K. Neck. This one is shoulder. S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R. Shoulder. S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R. Shoulder. And this one is arm. A-R-M. Arm. A-R-M. Arm. This is chest. C-H-E-S-T. Chest. C-H-E-S-T. Chest. And this one is stomach. S-T-O-M-A-C-H. Stomach. S-T-O-M-A-C-H. Stomach. This one is hand. H-A-N-D. Hand. H-A-N-D. Hand. This is finger. These are fingers. Yes. F-I-N-G-E-R. Finger. F-I-N-G-E-R. Finger. This is knee. K-N-E-E. K-N-E-E. Knee. This is leg. L-E-G. Leg. L-E-G. G. Leg. This is foot. F-O-O-T. Foot. F-O-O-T. Foot. Please children, you complete this one and you send it to me. Okay children? Bye-bye.